Hello, good morning, all of you. I am SK Yadav from Rajendra Gode College of Pharmacy, Amravati. Let's start our pharmaceutical chemistry second practicals. Experiment number 1, Introduction to Laboratory and Laboratory Works. First, separating funnel. Separating funnel is used to separate out the immiscible liquids. Various capacities are available. Next, melting point apparatus used to determine melting point of various substances, digital melting point and Thales tube melting point apparatus is available. Next, distillation flask to distill out the water or impure substances from liquid sample. Next, pH meter to determine the pH value of any compound using pH paper, or we can use digital pH meter also. Condenser to condense the vapors and convert the vapors into liquid while synthesizing any pharmaceutical compound. Different specifications and different types of condensers are available. Simple tube condenser or double tube condenser are available in market. Next, thermometer. Thermometers are used to check out the temperature of substances at any conditions while determining the temperature or melting point of compound, while determining the temperature during the synthesis to maintaining the temperature condition, during the operation of autoclave, during the operation of hot air oven. Different types of thermometers are available in market. Medical thermometers are available and general thermometers are available with different specification. Thermometers with 100 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees Celsius and 360 degrees Celsius are available. Next, mortar and pestle. The porcelain mortar and pestle or glass mortar and pestles can be used in a pharmaceutical laboratory, used to triturate powder, coarse powder, to convert fine particles, for preparation of emulsion, suspension. Mortar pestles can be used. Test tube holder. Test tube holders are used to hold the test tube while during heating the sample, while experimenting or determining the compound by heating process. Next, dropper used to administration of liquid medicine or liquid substances in a test tube, specially used for dispensing medication into the eyes. Dropper also used in dilution process. Different specifications of dropper are available. 5 ml droppers, 10 ml droppers are available in market. Next, digital balance. Digital balance is used to weigh the solid or liquid substances. Digital balance also having different specifications according to accuracy. Different types of balance can be used in chemical laboratory. Analytical balance, single pan balance, or digital balance can be used. Next, conical flask. Used in a application where solution can be mixed multiple times, means we can use conical flask in a titration process or storing the sample for temporary purpose. Next, burner. Burner used to heat any sample in any condition, used in synthesis, used in a testing of sample, used to determine melting point, or used to determine boiling points also. Next, evaporating dish. The porcelain evaporating dish is used to heat or to evaporate the liquid samples. Also used for preparation of cream, ointments. Different type of evaporating discs are available depending on their size. Next, volumetric flask, used to measure precise volume of liquid to make the precise dilutions. Different type or different specifications are available of volumetric flask. 10 ml volumetric flask, 50 ml volumetric flask, 125 ml volumetric flask, 250 ml volumetric flask, 500 ml volumetric flask, and 1 liter volumetric flask are available. Depending on the operational experimental procedure, we can use different type of specification of volumetric flask. Next, pipette, used for accurate volume measurement of liquid sample. Pipettes are also available in different specifications. 0.1 ml pipette, 1 ml pipette, 2 ml pipette, 5 ml and 10 ml pipettes are available. Next, microscope. Microscope also can be used in a pharmaceutical chemistry laboratory for magnifying small objects or determining small objects. Next, chemicals and reagents used in a pharmaceutical chemistry lab. Ninhydrin solution can be used to determine amino acid or conformation of amino acid. Failing solutions used to determine reducing sugar. Next, nitric acid used for or used as strong acid media. Benedict solution used for detection of reducing sugar or reducing agent. And sodium hydroxide used as a alkalizing agent. Name of two scientists. First, Louis Pasteur. He worked for vaccination and work done on role of microorganism in disease and how sickness could be prevented by vaccination of different antibiotics. Second, Alexander Fleming. He have discovered first antibiotic he have discovered, that is penicillin, which is isolated from Penicillin notatum. The wall charts used in pharmaceutical chemistry. First, modern periodic table of elements, and second, molecular orbits and combination of atoms. Experimental setups used in pharmaceutical chemistry laboratory. First, experimental setup, distillation apparatus or distillation unit. Distillation unit contains distillation flask, thermometer, condenser, receiving flask, burner, all the accessories we have to assemble for setup distillation unit. Second, Soxhlet extraction unit. Soxhlet extraction unit contains boiling flask, extraction chamber, condenser, siphon arm. The Soxhlet extraction unit is used to extract active constituent by continuous heating process, specially used for isolation of active constituent of natural products. Results. The equipments and instruments used in laboratory. You have to write down 10 equipments, their specifications, and use in second observation table. Write 5 chemicals or reagent name with their use. Then write 2 scientists with their work. Next, write 2 charts displayed in laboratory with chart title, and write 2 experimental setup name with purpose of experiment. Thank you.